Hello and welcome to a few clips from the 2019 Iconic Cup practice day in West London from the 10th and 11th of August, and what a great weekend it was. Now, we didn't actually race this year, which was a shame, but we will definitely be racing next year because it looked like brilliant fun, and there were some fantastic classic cars and chassis out on the track, especially on the actual race day, which we'll be showing you in the coming episode. And it was also great to see people coming from miles away to take part. It was, however, very windy on practice day, with a couple of gazebos being blown away and even some of the light cars being blown off their racing lines. But it all added to the excitement, and luckily it died down on the actual race day. Now, as mentioned, this was practice day with an open track where you could just jump on the track, get some laps in and get your car set up for the actual racing the next day. So you'll see a number of different classes out on track, all running at the same time. We'll also be giving you a lot more information about the Iconic Cup and the different classes in the next episode, so do watch out for that, as well as some great pictures we took on the day on our Instagram, Twitter and Facebook pages. But that's it. Again, do support your local clubs and get racing, because as we found this season, racing for the very first time, it is fantastic fun and such a great hobby to be part of. Do watch out for our Tamiya TT01 build series, where we walk through everything we've used to build up and race in the Tamiya series at this excellent track. And in the next episode, episode 10, we will be opening, building and fitting our brand new chosen shocks for the TT01, similar to what a lot of cars are running out on the track today. So do watch out for that. But that's it. Please rate and subscribe for more content, and also drop us a comment down below if you raced over the weekend and also what you raced, because we'd love to know and try to spot your car. But that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.